Hello everyone, welcome to my classroom. I am Neetwan Thomas, working as an assistant professor in the Department of Civil Engineering, SNIT Adoor. So in our last class, we've dealt with decentralization of authority. What do you mean by decentralization and the advantages of decentralization of authority? And in today's class, we'll be dealing with disadvantages of decentralization. So first disadvantage, unsuitable for small organizations. So why it is unsuitable for small organizations? Because small organizations will have lesser hierarchical levels. So decentralized authority is not at all needed, whereas centralized authority is needed in small organizations. So in large organizations where there are larger number of hierarchical levels, but the authority will be fewer levels. So that is a disadvantage. It cannot be used in case of, or it is unsuitable in case of small organizations. It is only practical in the case of large organizations. Second disadvantage is it depends on the quality of managers. So why do you say that it depends upon the quality of the managers? Because in decentralization, the authority or the decision making is done at the lower level also. So who's actually doing the work is taking the decision, and so the quality of the manager is a greater point or is of great importance in case of decentralization. The success of decentralization will depend upon the quality of the personnel managing the decentralized units. So the quality of the manager is of greater concern in case of decentralization. So if a manager is inefficient, it cannot go on with this particular strategy. Thirdly, inconsistency. So what does inconsistency mean? In centralized authority, we've dealt with in our last class, we came across a uniformity in decision making, right? There will not be any inconvenience, or there won't be any disputes in case of departmental issues. There is only one authority, and that authority will be giving out the decision making. But in case of decentralization, every department might have different policies and procedures. So it may bring upon inconsistencies in the organization, as there is no uniform procedures adopted in the work. So that is another disadvantage. There is no uniformity in work, so there might be inconsistencies in decentralization of authority. So I hope you're clear with the term decentralization, the advantages of it and the disadvantages. Hope it's clear. If you have any doubts, you can comment in the comment box. That's all for the day. Thank you.